Well, we just came from Volcano Bay. Spent about 2.5 hours there. Got to ride the Krakatau Aqua Coaster for the first time.
That was amazing.
A far better ride than I thought it was going to be. Yeah. Absolutely amazing. And now we've got to get upstairs. I want to take the elevator?
Yeah, let's take the elevator.
We'll take the elevator. But we're now going over to Islands of Adventure.
Can you tell what we want to ride?
Yeah, I wonder what we're riding by what we're wearing. And we're here for the first time without masks, which is amazing. Yes, we have to use them in the queues and on the rides, but that's okay. We love that we don't have to use them right now.
Yep.
And here we go.
Let's go up the elevator together.
And yes, the button says attractions. But yeah, we're
the button we're supposed to push.
heading over to Islands to ride VelociCoaster at least once, maybe twice or more if we can.
3, 4, I don't care.
Yeah, whatever. And we'll be using our new camera glasses for the first time. Hopefully they'll turn out good. If they did, then you'll be seeing it in this video later on. So we're here in the parking garage. And now it's time to go in, and we'll be back with you in just a bit. Well, we have now gotten through security and are making our way into CityWalk. And actually, it's noon on Friday, and it is not as busy as I thought it was going to be at all. I really expected to see this entryway, this walkway, to be full of people, and it's not. Well, I will say this though, looking up ahead, the main streetway in CityWalk, it's a little busy, but not packed. I can imagine tomorrow and Saturday it's going to be much busier. Now, we will say over at Volcano Bay this morning, on the bus and other things, you don't have to wear it. There was a lot of people still wearing them.
I think we were the only ones that weren't.
Yeah, on the bus, we were the only ones without them. I mean, we're fully vaccinated, so we're not worried. And, but yeah, a lot of people that we saw were still wearing them, and that's okay. You know, that's their choice. But we're just glad we don't have to.
Yeah.
All right. We're standing here outside the guest services area in CityWalk. Just wanted to show you, as you can see here, the VelociCoaster has a 60-minute wait today. That's actually pretty good. So we're going to head over, get in line, and we've discovered that at the VelociCoaster, the wait time is usually showing more than what it really is. So we should get through it in well under an hour. So we're going to head over there next once we get inside Islands, and we'll be back with you once we're in the queue. All right, we're walking through Marvel Superhero Island right now, and the crowd's a little bit bigger in here than it was outside the park, but still not bad.
Yeah, I know, not that bad at all.
Okay, we'll see what the wait time is for Spider-Man as we go by. The Spider-Man wait time is 1 hour, which is kind of surprising to me that the VelociCoaster and Spider-Man would have the exact same wait time.
Yeah, I know. It just sounds weird.
All right, we have just moved through Toon Lagoon, coming over to the bridge to go into Jurassic Park. The crowds do look a little heavier in this part of the park.
Kind of expected that.
Wonder why that might be.
You're getting a little closer.
Yeah, think the VelociCoaster might be the reason? Nah. Huh, yeah, of course it is. Skull Island Reign of Kong is a 70-minute wait right now. Again, finding it funny that it's longer wait than VelociCoaster. And there goes the train on the VelociCoaster. All right, we just got told VelociCoaster is a 75-minute wait, which means it's probably going to be more like 40 to 45.
Right.
But we're headed there right now. We'll be back with you when we're in the queue.
Around, showing everything here.
And there's the track.
There's the Velociraptors and the entrance.
There's Blue. Here we go. It's time for the VelociCoaster. 75-minute wait, and we don't care. Just to be on this coaster again for the second time ever, first time today, is amazing. Oh well. Well, so it's a 90-minute wait now. We still don't care. All right, here we are in the VelociCoaster queue. Again, 90-minute wait. You can see it's full in here.
Yes, it is.
But it's a great day for a coaster ride. Great weather, nice breeze, and we are masked up.
Yep, because that's what you have to do. Once you hit in queue and all through the entire ride until you leave, you have to be masked.
Here we are finally inside the building. Getting a good, nice long look at the main queue area. Mr. DNA is over there on the TV telling us all about how things work. And these huge fans feel amazing. And I love the LED lights, they look tremendous. Part of the queue. All right, here we are in the part of the queue where we watch the trains launch. He's blinking at us. That's cool. You can see his jaw quivering. You can see him move. The movement's really good and real.
Please be sure to follow the instructions of our ride attendants. Seating assignments. Hand sanitizer will be available for all guests prior to the boarding of this attraction. As a reminder, all guests are required to wear a face covering during their visit, which includes while experiencing this attraction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask one of our Universal team members.
Alright, we're about to get to the lockers, so we're going to turn this off and switch over to the glasses. We'll see you on and after the ride.
Bye.
Here we go, front row on the VelociCoaster.
tall and look, she's a mum. Really yucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But while he's there, we did see the fleets, streets, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts.